These powders look consistent. The granules are uniform. This batch is approved.
Glaze coating is applied to enhance the shine of tiles. Extreme heat transforms raw tiles into durable ceramic tiles.
Checking this batch for cracks and defects. Surface is smooth, no visible issues.
The edges of tiles are precisely cut using laser cutters. The laser beam follows the programmed path with extreme accuracy.
Finished tiles are sorted by size and quality grade. This one is economy grade.
Protective layers are added to prevent damage to tiles. This ensures they stay intact and undamaged. Heavy-duty packaging secures tiles for transportation. Protective inserts cushion the load against impacts. Warehouse systems track every shipment of tiles.
This batch is ready for loading.
Tiles are shipped nationwide to construction suppliers. From our warehouse, trucks deliver across the country.
I love this glossy finish. It's so sleek.
Yes, perfect for the office lobby.
And this one for the kitchen.
Large construction projects rely on durable tiles.
Apply the adhesive evenly with the notch trowel. Press each tile firmly and align it precisely.
Waterproof tiles protect bathrooms and kitchens. Easy to install and waterproof. Perfect for any wet area. Decorative tiles enhance interior beauty. Outdoor tiles withstand extreme weather conditions, from blazing sun and fierce winds to torrential rain and hail. Eco-friendly tiles reduce environmental impact. Smart factories use automation to perfect tiles production. Innovation continues to improve modern tiles technology. From raw earth to beautiful homes, tiles complete the journey.